In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to DeepSeek Chat. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type DeepSeek and press Enter. From the results, click the official DeepSeek website to go straight to the platform. If the site doesn't load in your preferred language, switch it to English by selecting the English option on the page. Once you're on the main screen, choose Start Now to open the chat interface. You'll see a chat input box at the bottom of the page. Take a moment to look closely at the corners of this input box. Depending on your screen size or layout, the Upload or Attach File icon is usually at the bottom left or bottom right. It often looks like a paperclip or an attachment symbol. Click that icon to begin. Your computer's file picker window will pop up. This is where you navigate to the document you want to upload. DeepSeek works well with common file types like Excel, Word, PDF, and CSV. Browse to the folder where your file is stored, select the file you want, and then click Open. If your document is currently open in another program, it's a good idea to save and close it first so your latest changes are captured. Back in the chat, you should now see the file attached in the message area. It might appear as a small tile, a file name, or a preview. Give it a second if your connection is slower. Large files can take a moment to attach. If you accidentally click multiple times and see duplicates, you can remove the extras before sending to keep things tidy. Next, type a short message telling the AI what you want it to do with the file. Clear, specific instructions help you get better results. For example, you could type, "Please summarize this file." You can also request an outline, key insights, or a quick data check, whatever fits your goal, while keeping your instructions short and clear. When you're ready, submit your message along with the attachment by clicking the Send button or simply pressing Enter on your keyboard. The chat will process your file and respond. If the first response isn't exactly what you need, follow up with a concise prompt to refine the output. A couple of quick tips as you use this workflow. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for smoother uploads. Keep your files organized so they're easy to find, and avoid uploading documents that contain private or sensitive information. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a file to DeepSeek Chat and sent your instruction.